Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Gemini to Base44. So, in order to do this, first of all navigate to Base44 and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll have to click on Integrations tab and search for Gemini. So type in Gemini, hit enter and click on Gemini. Now, as you can see, the integration connects the application to Google Gemini AI, through which you can enable powerful AI features like natural language responses and much more. So simply click on use this integration button that will be available just at the left of this page. But as you can see, this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So you must upgrade to a builder tier or above. In order to do this, click on settings icon by clicking on your profile icon, choose plan and billing, and here you can simply select the builder tier or starter tier in order to get Gemini AI with your base 44. So click on upgrade on builder or starter and you'll be easily able to buy this. After you complete the payment, you can easily click on use this integration button and connect your base 44 with Gemini. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.